In this video, I'm going to answer questions from our followers on social media. Aaron Blackwell is asking, honestly, are you scared Directory won't work? Absolutely not. Directory cannot fail contractor or homeowner. Directory is working. If you look at our numbers, after 3 years in business, number one, we're already profitable. Number two, we are increasing traffic months over months. We're getting more users on both contractor and homeowners. And of course, it's an online platform. It's online marketplace. It's a startup company, so it takes time to get traction. I mean, Angie's List was not profitable for 16 years, and we're profitable after 3 years. So from money perspective, from business idea perspective, we're only getting compliments. I personally feel this is one of the biggest problems in the industry to connect homeowners and contractors. We have tons of updates coming up every 2 weeks. My developing team coming up with finishing our development sprints, we call them. So every 2 weeks we add new features to the website. So it's getting better and better. I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of hard work. I know where we're going, how we're building it. So no, I am not scared the Directory is not going to work. Directory will work, and it's already working. We cannot let homeowners down. We cannot let contractors down. And what not to work? I mean, contractors have essentially insurance policy with Directorii.com that helps them to sell the jobs. Even if they don't have leads from Directorii.com, they can use it in their presentation. It's already better than Better Business Bureau product, so it's cheaper and better than Business Bureau. So that's already working. Everybody can use that. Number two, we paid out every single claim. We have 7 claims total in almost 4 years. Great number. Where financials are great, numbers are great, traffic is low but growing. What do you expect from startup companies? So no, absolutely no worries. The future is bright. We're growing and building super fast. What would be number one improvement you would do to Directory if you had to do something right now to double down? If we possibly could, we would limit transactions on the website. So right now, website is kind of open, homeowners coming in, we do have traffic, we do have a lot of requests, but unfortunately, we don't track those requests. And oftentimes, homeowners hiring contractors, and neither contractor or homeowner register the job, so we lose revenue, we don't know the traction, we don't know what's going on unless there's a claim later. If I could, I would become Uber today to make sure that people pay contractors directly through the website. It's not possible yet because of the financing situations and of the fees. Like when you become like Stripe or Square, like those kind of businesses, you lose a couple % on transactions. And I don't want to be in that business yet. I don't want to be in banking business where, you know, I take the money and I pay money. So it's okay. As far as the business model goes, I cannot change it, but if I would change it, that would be one area I would like it to be sooner than later. And it's not going to happen this year, but with the next few years, I hope we're going to figure that out. Randy Hurtado asks, why don't you think more people use Directory to sell jobs than to just wait around for leads from Directory? Do you think it's your messaging, or do you think people just are inherently lazy, or do you think it's a little of both? I think it's more first. There's probably messaging always can be improved, so I want to start by saying like messaging always can improve, but for the past 3-4 years we have the same message from the day one. The business model is the same. We find a contractor for the homeowner and we guarantee him. For the contractors, the messages will have homeowners, and you only pay us when you register the job, and you can definitely sell the guarantee. But here's the thing, contractors generally lazy. They would rather throw money at a problem than fixing it and doing the work themselves. That's just mentality. We cannot fix it. It's taking place. So you give contractor every tool in a box. They're genuinely lazy people. They don't want to go extra mile. Like, I'll give you one example. When we were doing boxing match with Lee Haight, I was sharing, where to watch the fight. And as I'm posting, it's like, hey guys, you can watch the fight here. under every single post, people like, where can I watch it? Well, I just shared it. Like, and on Facebook, it happens a lot. You give them a direction, you give them the website, and they're still gonna ask a question. Why? Because they don't want to do the research. They don't want to go extra mile. It's easier just to ask a question instead of Googling something. It's easier to get the lead, or at least they say then, do what you're supposed to do. Create an offer, put it in your presentation, talk about it to your homeowner. It will work. It does work for so many people. You can sell more jobs. We will help you sell more jobs, but it requires a little bit of effort on your behalf. And contractors, they would rather give a marketer money than do any work themselves. Absolutely crazy. You cannot expect good website if you don't have good pictures, good content, and so on. But how many contractors have it? I mean, the reality is most contractors know what they should be doing, and they just wouldn't do it. That's the bottom line. Blake Cleet, why stay with the directory when I haven't gotten a single lead in almost a year? I'm also the only contractor sign up in our area, 77657. So first of all, Blake, I am sorry. We can't guarantee the leads. We do have them. Some areas we have way more. So usually it goes by area, by city. We have, like we have you who did not get a lead, but then we have contractors in Louisiana or Florida who got like 30 leads and did not register a single one of them. So for us, it's our growing pains. A lot of contractors do not register their jobs. Even if they get the leads, they don't get it. So my recommendation to all the contractors who's listening, who's in Directory, register your jobs. If you got a job from Directorii.com, please register it. I promise you this, everybody would have more leads if every single job would be registered. So many contractors have been getting jobs from Directorii.com and did not register it, and we cannot enforce it. Like, we cannot police it, we cannot go after you. If you got a job from Directorii.com, you have to go to Directorii.com and register it, because the more registration we have, the more money we make, the more marketing dollars we pour back at Directorii.com, and that's why you should stay. If you're only doing it for leads, it's probably not the right platform for you. Directory, it's a marketplace. It's guaranteed. Like, we have products like no one else. We're better than Better Business Bureau. Like, you can honestly advertise us in your sales presentation. You can tell your homeowner, hey, you're safe with me. If you hire me and I screw up, or if I file bankruptcy, Directorii.com will write you a check for the deposit you're gonna give me. Your money is safe because someone else is guaranteeing you. We're a bonding company, but you cannot bond your jobs for $49 a month. With us, you can. So use it in your sales presentation. That's reason number one why you should stay. But if you're not implementing it into your sales process, if you're just waiting for the leads, you're probably not going to get them. I'm sorry to break your heart, but if you live in a rural area and we don't have a lot of users there, we don't have money to advertise in every small city in the United States. For bigger cities, we do have jobs, we do have leads, we do have traffic. Again, we do rely on everybody who's doing their part, and unfortunately, contractors just don't do what they're supposed to do, and now they're blaming us, but we're trying to be reasonable. You pay $49 a month. It's pretty much similar to Better Business Bureau accreditation. You can sell $20,000 guarantee to your homeowners. You can activate offers on your website. Make sure you stay competitive too. Record a video, upload a video, make sure people know you. Also, you can put Directory plugin on your website so you can sell jobs and offers when you sleep. If you activate offers on Directorii.com and implement it on your website under special offers, you literally could be getting your gutter cleanings, your roof inspections while you're asleep, monetizing the traffic that comes to your website. Imagine someone comes to your website and they're shopping around. They see the offer that makes sense to them. It could be emergency roof repair. It could be tarp covering. It could be gutter cleaning. It could be roof cleaning. Anything that you can think is a solid value proposition to your customer, make it an offer and enjoy the sale while you're asleep. We're a hosting platform for all of your deals. They're gonna feel very safe to do that transaction because money back is guaranteed. They're not giving money to you, they're giving money to bigger player in the marketplace. If you want Directory to work for you, spend a couple hours, understand what we really offer, schedule a demo call with Michael Moran, and then we will not fail you. We will not fail a contractor, we will not fail homeowner. Just because you didn't get a lead does not mean that we did not do work for you. We work for everyone, we will work with you, but you have to do your part. Ask away any questions and I'll answer them personally.